So hello guys, welcome to my channel English बहुत दिल से and here I am your host, your anchor, your teacher Satinder Punia and I'm so sure, I'm 100% sure that you are loving and you are enjoying my content. So please like, share and subscribe my channel so I can make a lot of content for you. Here you can see that I'm making English speaking English skill it's so easily. I mean you don't face any problem if you are a good English speaker. So and I'm sure you just feel each and every day that every field, whatever the path you choose, every field you always feel that if you are a bad English speaker, then you automatically feel that vibes are coming, that people are misbehaving you, people are treating you like a that you are a low middle class. So it's very good that if you are a very good English speaker, and it's very necessary that because here you can see that it's a global language. So it's really important that everyone should speak English. So here today my topic is tense, and it is the one of the most important topic in English speaking skill, because without tense I don't think so you never will speak properly. Without tense I don't think so you always gonna feel shy, you always will confuse that how gonna I use this sentence, how gonna I use this verb, how gonna I use this tense. Okay, so it's really important. So if you have knowledge of tense, then I'm sure then you're gonna subconsciously attach to this language and then you will speak properly. Okay, so here I am telling you that there are three form of tense. Okay, present, past, future tense. I mean, whenever we speak, we are speaking either in present moment, we talk about past, and we discuss about future. In a daily conversation, you always feel it that there are three types of form when we talk in Hindi and when we talk our local language. Then you always gonna feel that there are three forms: present, past, future. Here, this is how you're gonna understand. So, in present tense, there are this form: simple present, present perfect, future simple past. Look, this is the just a forum. I will tell you, I will tell you in a next video that how gonna we use this simple present, present perfect, simple past, present continuous, perfect continuous, future tense. So this is you gonna very love it, and I'm sure you gonna will rock it to this content. So I come here daily. I come here daily. It's a present tense. Earthquake come in Japan. Earthquake come in Japan. Tsunamis come in Japan. There are a lot of stroke in Japan. I come tomorrow. This I will come tomorrow. This is future tense. I came here. This is past. So is this very important that how gonna use these verbs, because come, came, coming. If you are using coming, then it's a present continuous, that I'm coming here every day. So earthquake coming in Japan. There are a lot of tsunamis and earthquake coming in Japan. So this is present continuous. Look, it's so simple. And he smokes. It's very simple that he smokes. He takes, he gives, he's earned, he's good, he's okay, he's better. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. PM signs deal. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. PM signs deal. So here you are. Here you can easily see that there are three form of tense, and how gonna we use it. Look, I am giving you a lot of example. Okay, I I have no problem. Okay, the sun rises in the east. mm, PM sign a very big nuclear deal. PM gonna follow you. If you have any suggestion, give them to PM. PM always worry about you. PM always want that you become a very good Indian citizen. PM always want that if you becoming good, then nation is also good. And the son, he smokes. I think he is smoking. He's a very bad smoker. I mean, he's a chain smoker. He should leave the smoke. And the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. I will take another example, and I will give you a lot of example. Just look. This is look first. If you really understand the present tense, past tense, and future tense in a very simple form, then you can easily make sentence. Then you can easily create a sentence, and then you can easily subconsciously attach to this language. Look, it's not tough to become a good English speaker. No. It always that you are just speaking just like Hindi. In Hindi, if you are a proper look, don't even think that you are a very good speaker of Hindi. No. It Hindi is our beyond language. It's not our national language. It's our beyond language. There are a lot of मुहावरे, कहावतें, पर्यायवाची. I mean, if you will, Hindi is like oceans. Yes, I'm telling you, English is just 2020. I mean, look, if you have a 2000, 3000 words of English, and then you have basic knowledge of tense, verb, and if you are a daily routine English speaker, then you can easily speak English. But in Hindi, always remember, Hindi is an ocean and Sanskrit is a big ocean. So these are the one of the most mysterious language, most spiritual, I mean, who one want to see that what is the depth of Hindi. So that's why you can see that Hindi our Indian national language, and but English is become now a very global language. So at least give just all, as I said, my every video, that just give 20 or 30 minutes to my each and every video, then you will speak a very good English speaker. You can create sentence, you can create verbs. It's very simple. So again, I'm telling you, so please like, share and subscribe my channel so I can make everyday content. So if you look, you easily can see that I have to monetize my channel so I can make a lot of content for you. So just give 15 or 20 minutes to each my every video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Namaste, Salam, Sat Sri Akal, goodbye.